This is a upstream cost control agent. So the upstream operating cost per barrel often increases when the production and the maintenance decisions are delayed. So this agent helps the team to act at the right moment by identifying the cash negative production and uneconomic maintenance. So the corrective actions can be taken before the costs are locked in. So let us test the agent. Here I ask the agent to show the cash negative asset today. So the agent identifies the asset like there is the asset South Juliet with the marginal cost of $85 per barrel. So this is flagged as a cash negative risks, and the recommended action is to throttle the production by 15% to prevent the producing high cost barrels. So this ensures we avoid the locking in higher operating cost per barrel. So here I am asking the agent which asset need the maintenance now and why. So the agent flags the north delta, the maintenance backlog is 16 jobs. The deferral indicator is high, that is 71. The downtime risk is 55%. And the recommended action is to schedule the maintenance immediately. So the North Delta is flagged because it has a higher maintenance backlog along with a strong deferral indicator and increasing downtime risk. So this combination makes the further deferral uneconomic as it increases the likelihood of the forced outages and leads to the higher operating cost. So, by identifying the cash negative production and enforcing the timely maintenance decision, this agent helps to reduce the avoidable cost, prevent the reactive shutdowns, and sustain the lower operating cost per barrel.